Hello guys, here is my phone, Asus Zenfone 8, version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Look, completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable, Type-C cable, sorry, and we have protected back cover on this. Now talk about device made of metal, double camera on the back side, on the front side display 5.9 inch, power key, warm keys, on the downside slot for 2 nano SIM card, Type-C port, speaker and microphone, and upside headphones jack we have. AMOLED display, Full HD resolution. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor and GPU Adreno 660, sorry. Okay, look into the benchmark score. We have 10 place in the global rating and very good results, perfect results. Okay, close this and run the mother game with San Andreas on the max graphic level. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.